Hello YouTubers and YouTubies, NorthCoastT here. Today we're working on a 2017 Chevy Express. We're going to be replacing the blinker taillight bulb. You need the 3157 for the GM. It's a double filament bulb. One thing you can do in a pinch, I noticed on a lot of these Express vans, they use the 3157 in the reverse light and brake light, and they're not needed in the reverse light. So in a quick pinch, if you don't have a bulb, you can just take one out of the reverse light socket and place it in the brake light socket. For some reason this van keeps going through them, only on the driver's side. So got some new bulbs. I did the switch from the reverse light to the brake light once already, and then it went out again. So this is what you're going to need. The tools needed for this job are ratchet, extension, and a 10mm socket. It doesn't necessarily have to be deep well, but some of them might be a little too long of a stud for your short socket. First things first, open up your back door and you can access your bolts. You want to first remove this bolt, second this bolt here, you can see it in there, and third there's a bolt right here. There's actually three that hold the taillight in, but there's two that you can see. Just take these out, then you take this one out. This piece here will swing away, and you can see, don't pull it off. There's a clip up top here. It's flexible enough to just move it out of the way, and you can see your third bolt for the taillight. And then also under here, it sits, the taillight just sits on a pin right here. So let's get started and I'll show you that. Let's pull off your two for the light. Pull off this one for the plastic up top here. Pull this back, don't pull it off, and then you can see the third bolt should be right in here. 10mm. Pull that off and just leave this kind of loose, and then you can get the taillight out on top. And there's also this pin here, focus, that the bottom of the taillight sits on. Then you put it all back together in reverse order. The bolt back here in the corner does double duty. It holds the plastic and the tail light. On this one, it has 17,000 miles on it, and the bulb has gone out 3 times so far, 4 times, maybe 5. I don't know, it's several times. And then go ahead and tidy up your 10mm here and your 10mm there. And like I said, make sure you get it on that pin before you put those bolts in. Hope you found this video helpful, and I hope you have a great day. Please give it a like.